How to use Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, download the Cash App from your App Store or Play Store. So open App Store or Play Store and search for Cash App and then go ahead and download the application. I already have the application, so I will simply launch the Cash App. You will then be required to create an account, so go ahead and sign up using your phone number or email address. You will then receive a verification code, so go ahead and enter the verification code that you receive. You will then be required to set up your profile, so create a unique cash tag, add your name, and complete any required identity verification if prompted. You will then be required to link your bank account too, so tap on the profile icon and then go to the linked banks option. Here, add your debit or credit card or your bank account to fund payments and transfers. You can then go ahead and tap on the add money option you see there and then select the add cash option and enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. You can also tap on the dollar option you see there and enter the amount or tap pay or enter and then enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number or email and a note if you'd like and confirm the payment. You can also tap on the request option and enter the money and choose the person you want to request money from and send the request. And if you want to cash out, then go ahead and tap on the money tab and then select cash out and enter the amount. You can choose standard or instant transfer and confirm the transfer. So this was about how you can use Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.